Hey, kid. I'm putting together a crew.
Who are these guys?
Han Solo, LANDO CALRISSIAN.
You look good.
You in?
That's yes. You might wanna buckle up, baby.
How'd they do that? Did they fly it in?
It's bonkers. It's absolutely mad.
Woo! It's all about fun. It's all about fans. Tonight we're finally getting to share it with some fans. This is something I've been waiting for a long time, and I'm very, very pumped.
Han is a character that is so loved, and so taking it on is scary, but I know we've done it justice.
It's great to do a movie that's on this scale, but that has the kind of heart and the kind of genuine connection that people have to this story.
Kind of like a dream. Lando was my first toy ever. Being a part of this, being part of the Star Wars family, it means like the world.
I never thought this opportunity would happen, but it's great to be a part of this.
This is a story that takes advantage of everything that we've learned about this great iconic character and yet still surprise audiences.
It's so exhilarating. It's just insane.
In the movie, the energy that's right through the film is this sense of excitement and reverence for a character that is so beloved.
Our particular Star Wars posse is such an incredibly talented and interesting group of people.
Like, why don't people wear capes anymore? I understand maybe it's a little hard to get your hands out, but they look so fresh.
I can't wait to hear an audience with this movie and go on this journey with young Han Solo, this defining adventure.